I now hereby hand over the iron sheets, 250 pieces, to Adiel Yahweh Pentecostal Mission Church.
We received.
Ngeta Girls, 200 pieces.
We receive.
Komboni College, 150 pieces. St. Paul Primary, Anyaput, 70 pieces.
Received with thanks.
And our historical school, now college, 100 pieces.
Our prayer that the request you made has now been answered. Please go and put these items to good use, because that is the reason why we are being given this small support. I don't think it's complete, but it is small support, and we know that it will go a long way in changing the environment that these iron sheets are supposed to go to. In a special way, I'm happy that we have schools that are benefited directly in Lira City. So we know that has been your cry. So let's go put this to good use. The Honorable Minister, this is not supposed to be a long function. I know you're needed again.
Formally welcome you to Lira. On behalf of the security team and also Office of the President, you're most welcome back to Lira to perform. I think this is your first official function you're performing after elections in Lira City in your capacity as a sitting member of Parliament and also as a new coming member of Parliament of Lira City. You're most welcome. I want to add my voice on congratulating you upon this overwhelming victory that you attained in Lira City to make it back as a trusted leader of the people. It is not easy to win in Lira City or in Lango with that kind of margin unless people truly and sincerely love you. I think you presented yourself in a way that even a blind can see the type of person you are, and everyone can feel your touch of love and compassion for the people of this region and the people of Uganda. Upon saying that, I congratulate you for your election. Today we are for a very simple function to further with what you were already doing before. But also permit me, I forgot, seated next to you is Worship the Mayor. Worship the Mayor was also re-elected. It's the first time in history for a mayor to be re-elected in this city. You had a huge blessing, and your blessing also touched others.
Sure.
And your blessing touched his Worship the Mayor, it touched her Worship the Deputy Mayor, it touched Zena Polot, and several others who work closely with you. So blessings can really flow. And we thank God for that. Gathered before you are 5 different groups. Through your advocacy, they were able to receive yet another consignment of iron sheets. You remember, this is about the 4th time you are bringing iron sheets to Lira City. The first time you handed over to different churches and different ministries. The second time again you did the same. The third time was again here. Today is the 4th time you are doing the same. And in total, I think today you are handing over about 4,327 iron sheets. In the 4 times you have handed 4,372 iron sheets, because I have the records with me. So today the beneficiaries are Adiel Pentecostal Mission Church. I don't know if the representative is here. Yeah, this is Yahweh. It is written here as Adiel Yahweh Pentecostal Mission Church. This is the second time Pentecostal Church, Yahweh is benefiting from you. And Ngeta Girls, Komboni College is also here. No, Ngeta Girls. But Yahweh Pentecostal Mission is receiving 250 iron sheets, and the contact person is here. Ngeta Girls is receiving 200 iron sheets. And I think this is the second time. It's the first time. It's the first time Ngeta Girls is receiving. Congratulations. We also have Komboni College receiving for the first time, and the representative is here. They are receiving 150 iron sheets. We have St. Paul Primary, Nyapuch. They are, Honorable Minister, they are receiving only 70. I know you'll do something next time for them. And we have Lango College. Lango College is also suffering a lot. It's also their first time, and they're receiving only 100. That one will get back to you. I know as a mother you will know what to do. And Lango College is represented by the headmaster. In total today you are handing over 770 iron sheets on top of those ones you have handed over. Leave alone several other equipment you have handed over to this city and in different other facilities and in the entire region. I therefore want to thank you and thank the Office of the Prime Minister that you worked with so closely to have this vision achieved. Finally, I also, on behalf of our team here, congratulate His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, for attaining those number of votes, and specifically in Lira City, through your effort and others, he managed to get over 80% of votes in Lira City in history. That is something we cannot sit back and fail to congratulate His Excellency for. He now attracted the love of the people because of the way you and others convinced the people to understand that NRM is a government that people should reckon with and work with and serve. So now that is the situation in Lira. Convey our sincere greetings and appreciation when you go back. With those remarks, I now take the honor and privilege to invite you to address the beneficiaries and subsequently hand over the iron sheets.
That you know the rules. When you receive, within 2 weeks, you are supposed to have utilized, and the office of the RCC and the mayor will confirm, and we give a report back. You're all aware about what happened some time back regarding iron sheets. We don't want to have any scandal. Please use it. They will confirm, they will take photographs, and we shall submit. And when we give accountability on time, then we are considered again. So do that. Unfortunately for you, this is a rainy season, and the situation in which you are keeping the infrastructure you have is not very good. The few iron sheets will only protect a few. But we want to continue praying that the Almighty God will protect the others who will not be under a proper roof. Allow me also to extend my deep appreciation to the RCC. RCC, when I came in last night, I found the city very calm and very peaceful. Unlike those days when you would come in and you find noise and, you know, all kinds of things everywhere.
The noisemaker is eliminated.
Thank you for keeping the city very peaceful. And your worship, thank you for keeping the city very neat and clean. This time round, we are going to work to make our city a city. It must be a city that we are proud of. A city that Lango is proud of. So my humble appeal to all of you is to support the mayor. To support the mayor. We all have our weaknesses, but when we join hands together, we can do even much better. When the mayor is going to institute his cabinet, support the mayor. And Mr. Mayor, this time your cabinet has to be full of hardworking people, but people who also support government. It is good to support government because these developmental things come from government. And the government in power is the NRM government. For 40 years we have been opposing government. We came back empty-handed. Let us now work with government and come back with our hands full. I am not telling you a lie, but recently when we met the president, he himself said his eyes are now turned towards Langa. In northern Uganda, we defeated Acholi, we defeated West Nile, we defeated West Nile, Acholi, Teso we defeated, Karamoja we defeated because the voting population in Karamoja is very small. Of all these other areas, our voting population is the largest, and we voted very well. There is no district in Lango that voted less than 80%. We are all 80% and above for the president.
Lango is the best in the entire country, Lango sub-region.
As a region.
As a region. The best.
Yes.
No,
it is only the city that beat Mbarara city. But in the entire Uganda, we are number 3.
Number 3.
Yes, we are number 3. We were always the last. But from the last to number 3, we have done very well. We have done very well. So when God turns his eyes to look towards you, Father here will tell me, it means all the blessings come where? To you. So let's receive those blessings and utilize them well. And also reciprocate. Because when you are given, you also give. So I want to thank you again and congratulate you, and also to encourage you. More iron sheets will come. More will come. And may I just want to let you know that when we are lobbying, we will first ensure that those that have been getting the small pieces get what is required before starting new ones. But also the new ones, we won't forget them. So God bless you and take care of you. Congratulations.